Hey friends, welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. If you're new here, my name is Megan. I'm a registered dietitian, nutritionist, and mom of two, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl. And here on our channel, I love to share plant-focused recipes and healthy lifestyle content. In our house, we love snacks. So today I'm sharing with you 3 plant-based snack ideas that are perfect for the fall season. These gluten-free and dairy-free snacks are perfect to add into a work or school lunchbox or enjoy in the afternoon when you need an energy boost. A big thanks to Maple from Canada for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get to our recipes. First, we're making these maple apple cinnamon bites, which are so easy to make and they require no cooking. Simply add all ingredients into a food processor, pulse, then roll into balls and store in the fridge. They contain seasonal fall flavors such as apples and cinnamon and are naturally sweetened with maple syrup, which has a bonus of nutrients. Maple syrup is an excellent source of manganese and a good source of riboflavin. To make these maple apple cinnamon bites, you will need soft dried apples, rolled oats, walnuts, maple syrup from Canada, unrefined coconut oil, cinnamon, and filtered water. Add all ingredients into a food processor and pulse together. Roll into 1-inch balls, then store in the refrigerator and enjoy. Next, we're making these cardamom carrot coconut cookies, which taste like a cookie but are also packed with good for you ingredients. These cookies are made with almond flour, carrots, and one of my favorite spices, cardamom. You can even add a spread of nut butter on top of 1 or 2 of these cookies for a little extra protein and call it breakfast. To make these cardamom carrot coconut cookies, you will need chia seeds, water, maple syrup from Canada, coconut oil, carrots, oats, almond flour, unsweetened shredded coconut, cardamom, baking powder, and salt. To make, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of water into a large mixing bowl. Stir and then let set for 3 minutes until a thick, gelatinous consistency forms. Then add coconut oil, maple syrup, and mix together. Fold in carrots, oats, baking flour, coconut, cardamom, baking powder, and salt. Form batter into the shape of cookies and place on a baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Store cookies in the refrigerator and enjoy within 1 week, or store in the freezer and enjoy within 2 to 3 weeks. Next, we're making these pumpkin, maple, nut, and seed muffins, which have protein from the walnuts and pumpkin seeds, as well as vitamin A and fiber from the pumpkin. Maple syrup is a great option to naturally sweeten recipes because not only does it provide sweetness, it also has a variety of nutrients, whereas traditional cane sugar, for example, has no nutritional value. Maple syrup also adds a delicious flavor to these muffins. To make these pumpkin, maple, nut, and seed muffins, you will need ground flax seeds, water, unsweetened almond milk and apple cider vinegar, unsweetened pumpkin puree, maple syrup from Canada, and olive oil. You will also need oat flour, which you can make by blending oats in the blender, as well as whole rolled oats, almond flour, pumpkin pie spice, baking soda, and salt. For the toppings, you will also need walnuts and pumpkin seeds. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a large mixing bowl, add the flax seeds and warm water, stir and let sit for 3 minutes. Then add the remaining wet ingredients and stir together. In a medium bowl, add the dry ingredients and whisk together. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and stir to combine. Top with your pumpkin seeds and walnuts and then bake in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Let cool and then enjoy. We love maple syrup. We use it all the time in recipes, as well as on pancakes and waffles on the weekend. So I wanted to share with you some of the health benefits of pure maple syrup. 100% pure maple syrup from Canada is a natural sweetener that is derived directly from the maple tree's sap that, when consumed in moderation, can be part of a healthy diet. Maple syrup is an excellent source of manganese and a good source of riboflavin. In fact, one serving of pure maple syrup, which is 2 tablespoons, contains 35% of the daily value of manganese and 15% for riboflavin. Scientists have also identified more than 67 different plant compounds or polyphenols, 9 of which are unique to pure maple syrup. One of these polyphenols naturally forms when the sap is boiled to produce maple syrup. Well, that's it for today's video. As always, you can view or print these recipes on our blog at healthygrocerygirl.com. You can also follow us on Instagram at healthygrocerygirl and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!